everyone, this is Lisa with WTI.
If you're looking for a fashionable crossbody bag, I want you to check this one by JASGOOD. This one has so many details you are going to love. I personally like the black color with this contrast of gold. It gives it so much elegance. I also like the retro geometric pattern it has. It also has adjustable straps, and you're going to love the quality and the smoothness of the zipper. And of course, you can change it over in order for it to be a left or right crossbody. You're going to see as well that this has so much space. This is great for daily use, for work, for traveling. I love that it has several separate compartments that allows you to have everything you need in an organized way. I kid you not, I can fit so many things in here, but I always like carrying just my essentials. This crossbody bag from JASGOOD, it's nice and stylish and super affordable. It comes in a variety of beautiful colors as well.
With that being said, if you're looking for comfort and style, check these crossbody bag out, and that is my point of view.